I was like $6.50 for 10 miles. I think they might have played me on that one. We leaving up out of Red Robin right now. An additional $9.50 for 4 miles. I'm taking it. $6.75 plus. $7.25 turns into $12.25. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. First order of the day. We're gonna be doing some Doordash. I got my first order, guys. $5.25 for 1.6 miles right here at Oriental Spoon. I'm here already. Got about 2 minutes left until this order is gonna be ready for pickup. Are you opposed to doing a $5 order on Doordash? Let me know in the comments below. There was a point in time where I would not take anything less than $8. There was a point in time where I would cherry pick only for large orders on a large order program. Doordash is changing. It used to be a time where you could do a lot of different things on Doordash, from cherry picking to, accepting offers and unassigning them. Those days are over. Make that money with Doordash. I'm picking up a $5 order right now, guys. I ain't making a whole lot of money on this order, but the miles to money ratio makes sense to me. And I know that if I keep these wheels rolling and I get me a couple orders done per hour, maybe this one's $5, maybe the next one's $8, maybe the next one's $9 or $10. I'm gonna be able to get my hourly rate that I like to make when doing food delivery. So if you're looking for some tips and tricks on how to maximize your Doordash account, go ahead and do me a favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go pick up this Oriental Spoon. Look at that. First order of the day, ready to go. So after waiting a very long time, which felt like forever, it was only like 7 minutes, I just got my next order, guys. It's slow out here, I can tell, because I didn't get this order immediately after dropping off that Oriental Spoon, which was only 2 minutes away. This one came in at $7.25 for 4.7 miles at Dairy Queen. They say it's a high priority, high paying order. Look, $7 for 4.7 miles, I don't consider that high paying. Doordash say it is, I don't think it is. But here's the thing, they didn't send me anything else, and we got all these food places right here. So if this the only order they got for me, and it's at least something that's in my parameters, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. So we finna head on over to Dairy Queen. It's a drive-through pickup, so I love it.
In Salisbury, in England.
Dropping off that Dairy Queen, order number 2. Got those first 2 orders dropped off, and we only sitting at like, what's that, $13 in these first 2 orders? No, it's actually $12.50. So I'm gonna need Doordash to hit me with something good in order for make up and make this a profitable hour, because $12.50 ain't gonna cut it. Now, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm that. I think it's probably gonna be like a $3 tip on this one. Let's see. Nope, it was a $5 tip and a $2 base pay. And there are no restaurants near me, so let me head towards a restaurant. All right, so I just made it over here to my favorite spot in my whole market, 54th Street, and Doordash sent me 2 offers on the way over here, and I didn't like either one of them, so I had to decline them. The first one was $4.25 for 4.1. Even though that's 1-to-1 miles to money, Sonic Drive-In is not a place I like going at this time of night, because it can take those college kids a little bit of time to bring those orders to you. And it ain't no telling how long the drive-thru is. So I had to go ahead and let it go. Next up, we had $11.25, 12.4 miles. Woo! One item at PetSmart. Look, that's easy shopping. And if I had a Walmart Spark order that was taking me down in that direction, I would definitely do it, but right now is not the time. So I had to also decline that one. Now I got my dash paused right now. I'm about to go ahead and unpause it, and I'm gonna see what they hit me with. Alrighty, so I have ended my dash because it's been the first full hour. I didn't get any other orders besides those 2 I turned down. And see, it be like that sometimes. They try to make you feel like, oh, well, if you didn't take these orders, we ain't got nothing else for you. And that's okay, because it's my choice to only use Doordash right now. I could have turned on Walmart Spark or Uber, and I could have made the most of that remaining time in that hour. Now we on the hour number 2. Doordash let me right back in, because I know it's busy. I know it's orders out here. So I'm gonna see what they hit me with first. We gonna try to see if we can make this money with just DoorDash. I don't want to deal with Uber Eats tonight. I don't want to deal with Walmart Spark tonight because the Walmart is pretty packed. So we gonna see what we can do. And just like that, I knew they had an order for me. We got $6.75 for 3.1 right over at Chipotle, and that's a place where you can get a possible stack. Chipotle is right over there. You may actually be able to even see it from right here. So if I zoom in a little bit, right there you see My Pizza, you see Freddy's. That's Chipotle right there. Let's head on over, see if we can get an ad on. Dropping off some Chipotle. Order number 3 right here. When it comes to the DoorDash driver app, ratings do matter. They may not have mattered as much in the past, but they definitely matter now. Check this out. I just got my next order. $7.25 plus 2 miles, 2 point something miles. Look, the point something doesn't matter. $7.25 plus for 2 miles. We heading over to Taco Bell to get some of that taco smell. This is what I want you guys to do. Just try to expand your horizons just a little bit. Expand your parameters on the orders that you're willing to take. Look, I want everybody. Let me say it again. Hold on. I want everybody to be making as much as they can when they out here using these apps. So if I'm seeing better results in my area from having a higher acceptance rate, I'm gonna bring that to you. This is what's happening right now, guys. This is what's happening, real life. Okay? Now, fucking Uber is fucking up my video. Uber wanna mess up my damn video. Now it ain't gonna be a one-size-fits-all approach. That don't mean that you're gonna see the same orders I'm seeing. But all I'm saying is if you're using DoorDash and you still using it the same way you was using it last year, you may be missing out. I can't. This time last year, I was not doing shopping delivers back to back like this. Another Uber order. Good God, they is not playing. Leave me alone, Uber. I don't want none of them little trash offers you got. I appreciate it, but I don't want that. I got me a nice little Taco Bell order. Give me some of that taco smell. $7.25 plus is probably only gonna go up by a quarter. Now, Taco Bell doesn't have the best reputation when it comes to getting those orders out in a timely manner. I know one time they had me waiting like 7 minutes for an order, boy. They was tweaking. But you know, it's all good, though. This only my, what, 3rd or 4th order of the day? So I'm willing to make some exceptions as soon as this little lady get out the way so I can park. Heading up in the Taco Bell now. Hopefully they got this thing ready. I did not get an add-on on the way up here, but that's okay. So I'm sitting here waiting on this Taco Bell order. And I think it's ready, but they just sent me an additional $6 plus right here at Taco Bell. You know I'm taking it. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys. Taco Bell order number 1 right here. This one says 720. No, not 750. 725 plus. Go ahead, set it right there at the front door. Get our DoorDash picture. Boom, and we out. 725 turns into woo 1225. Let's go. Shout out to the good tippers at the nice house in the private neighborhood. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Them private residence customers, it'd be woo $12. That thing went up by $5. $12.25 to be exact. Now that's perfect. So now we finna head over and get this second part of this Taco Bell order dropped off and get the rest of this taco smell up out the whip. Alrighty, we got the second part of that Taco Bell dropped off. 6 plus turned into $6.25, and I got my next order already. $6.75 plus for 2 miles right over here at Red Robin. So you know I'm about to take that. Right before this, they sent me $6.50 for 10 miles. I was like, $6.50 for 10 miles? After you sent me all these sweet, swell, nice orders, you gonna do me 6? Look, and I think I'm getting an add-on right now. Let's see. Let's see what this add-on is. Whoo, I think I'm gonna have to take that. This add-on is coming in an additional $9.50 for 4 miles. I'm taking it. Even though it doesn't say $9.50 plus, I'm taking that. That's great cash flow. This Red Robin order is gonna probably go up at least a quarter, $7, because if they sent me $6.75, it's probably gonna go up by a quarter. But this Crazy Bowls and Wraps, now that's an order I can get behind because that's adding 4 miles, but it's adding $10 to my pockets, so I can dig it. Let's go ahead, head on over to Red Robin. It's right on the other side of this road. and let's get this money. We heading up in the Red Robin right now. This one came in at $6.75 for, I don't even remember the mileage. Look, it doesn't matter. The point is, we getting this money. And Crazy Bowls and Wraps is right over there. No ice cream, shakes, or sundaes. That's messed up. We leaving up out of Red Robin right now. We got Panera Bread over there. Crazy Bowls and Wraps is right down that way. We finna head over there now. I had took the shades off for a second, but then it got right back bright. We at Crazy Bowls and Wraps. See, there go Red Robin right there. That's why I like when they send you an order, or two orders I should say, that's really close to each other. That's how you run it up. Alrighty, dropping off this Red Robin, and the customer is right at the door. Nice. Got that one dropped off. Stayed $7.25. No, actually it says $6.75. So it went up by 50 cents. That's cool. Dropping off some Crazy Bowls and Wraps. I think they played me on this one because when I dropped off order number 1, the mileage said 4 miles, and I don't remember it saying an additional 4 miles, but it's all good. I think they might have played me on that one. We're gonna see. I went on and took the picture. Let's go ahead and confirm that thing. And I see $9.50. That's a good order. Okay, I'm happy now.